Hi, I'm RJ. Welcome to Keto Over 50. I have such a great tip for you today. A lot of people who are on keto learn, one of the first things you learn is that you can have fried pork rinds because they're zero carbs and they come with different flavorings, tahini or hatch chili. But a lot of people don't like the flavor they impart when you're using them as breadcrumbs. And I have a quick hack that is just amazing, and I will show you how to create your own breadcrumbs. This is ink keto that I get at Costco, but any keto bread, a lot of the manufacturers make it now. So whenever you find keto bread, this one is 11 carbs and it's 10 grams of fiber, so it's only one net carb. Rustling the wrapper. Anyway, almost no one ever eats the heel of the sandwich. So I thought one day that's pretty neutral. It doesn't taste like pork panko, they call it. So I put these two slices in my air fryer until they were hard toast, crispy. And then I put them in my NutriBullet like that and pulverized them and came up with the most amazing breadcrumbs. They're very neutral. I've used them in meatloaf. I've used them in meatballs. You can use them to bread chicken breast. I would add some Parmesan cheese to this if I was breading chicken breast, but I wanted a nice neutral breadcrumb for mixing with ground beef for certain dishes. And this is just the best thing in the world. Use the heels of your loaf of keto bread. And then my friend was over here and she said, oh, that would make a good bun for a burger. So now I'm running out of breadcrumbs. This used to be full because the last two slices, I actually used them with a burger and it worked beautifully. So don't ever throw these out. They're precious. And that's my tip for how to have wonderful keto breadcrumbs. And if they're one slice is one carb, that's two carbs for two slices. In the breadcrumbs, you can add Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt, Parmesan cheese. Depending on what you're making, this is just absolutely the easiest hack to have great keto breadcrumbs. Thank you. Like and subscribe.